So if you're anything like me, I've been getting a ton of these showing up at the door lately that I need to turn into these wrapped Christmas gifts. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Dollar Tree wrapping station that I created in my craft closet, but I'm giving you a bunch of tips that you can implement into your own space. So we're coming off of Thanksgiving weekend with all the Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday sales, and I don't know about you, but I'm shopping online a lot more this year than in the years past. And with Christmas literally just around the corner, I need to start getting all of these gifts that I'm getting wrapped and ready to go. And before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Lindsay with Organized-to-Save, and I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive with budget-friendly tips. And today we're keeping things super budget-friendly because pretty much everything that I'm going to be showing you is from stuff that I already owned or things that you can easily pick up from the Dollar Tree. Let's get in the giving spirit and let's check out this wrapping station. My wrapping paper was not an easy to access spot, and I knew that I wanted to create a spot in my house that I could easily go to, spread out, and get my wrapping done. Now, if you saw my crafting closet video, you'll probably notice that there's a couple things on these shelves that are now moved around. Now I have an entire shelf that's just dedicated to all my gift wrapping supplies. Now, before you start actually organizing all of your supplies, you need to sort through them first. I went through all of my gift bags because I have a ton of them that I've just collected over the years from baby showers, weddings, birthday presents, you name it. I wanted to go through that stash and get rid of ones damaged or that I knew I was not going to use in the future. I would suggest to you to actually break down and categorize your gift bags. I broke them down by event. So I've got a baby section, a special event section, which is like weddings or anniversaries, that kind of bags, birthday bags, and then obviously Christmas bags. I had them all divided out. I actually just did the bag in a bag method. I love this method because I didn't have to buy anything to organize all my bags into, and now they're all super easy to access. I have my Christmas bag right up front because I know with Christmas around the corner, that's the one that I'm going to be using. Let me know down in the comments below, are you one that holds on to bags as well? Now, if you love the Dollar Tree and are liking this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure you're subscribed because you don't miss any future videos. I've shared this system in the past in videos, but I love keeping my tissue paper in these accordion files. It's a very old one that I had on hand. It's so simple because I just have it sectioned off by pattern or color, and I can easily go in here and find out what tissue paper I want to use. Now, if you can't find something like this at your Dollar Tree, they do have just like poly envelopes or even something like this that I use for my gift tags, and I used them for my like smaller little candy goodie bags. But these are a great option as well. I love these because for one, they are clear pouches, so I can easily see what I'm trying to access. Sorted through my stash and picked out the different gift tags, put them all in one of these clear envelopes. Now it's going to be really easy for me to just go straight to that little envelope and pull out a gift tag for when I'm wrapping a present. This little metal stand that these are actually in was also made with a Dollar Tree hack. But all that I did was I took 2 napkin ring holders, zip tied them together, and it made a nice little stand. You can use this stand for so many other different things, but I wanted something that these things could sit upright so that way if I move a bag out, it's not going to topple over. Whereas if I didn't have the stand, that would happen. This helps to keep everything secured in place. Now you might be wondering, well, what about all the wrapping paper? Dollar Tree trash can to the rescue. It was so simple. I just took even the Dollar Tree brand 3M hooks, but I just put 2 up on my wall, hooked the trash can on them, and put all of my wrapping paper in there. Be careful with how much weight you have in there. I don't keep a lot of wrapping paper on hand because, as you can see, I prefer gift bags. Now, just below that, I needed somewhere that I could put some ribbon, bows, and then obviously my tape and scissors because you need that handy when you're wrapping presents. So a fun, non-permanent hack for you is I wanted to hang up this little hook organizer that I got from the Dollar Tree, but I didn't want to drill holes into the wall because I again used those 3M hooks. Then found in the phone section these little ring phone holders. These have a sticky back. I actually stuck it to the back of the hook holder, and then I was able to hang it over the hooks. I'm absolutely loving this solution and love that everything was from the Dollar Tree. Just remember, you do not have to spend a lot of money in order to get organized. Now, if you're curious to see how I put together the rest of this craft closet, make sure to check out the video on your screen right now, and we'll see you over there.